So guys, Brian and Michael here. We're going to be showing you a grip break to a little rolling knee bar situation and give you some details on that. So he grabs my collar here, we're going to pop it off, we're going to pull, we're going to step in front like we're going to do a scissor throw, or maybe hook and fall back. Did a video on that, it's called Kawasugake in Judo. But what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go and I'm going to hook around. I kind of get this sort of an arm bar situation. This is called Wakigatami in Judo. But I'm over his arm and I'm going to hook and then I'm going to roll on my inside shoulder. This allows me to get into this leg entanglement series where I can pull his leg underneath for knee bars, maybe a heel hook, or I can pull his leg over for a clover leaf. Okay, so here I'm going to pop this off. I'm going to come in. Okay, so from here I'm going to go over and grab here. Now I'm going to put my hand on the mat and roll inside shoulder. Clover leaf. Okay. Now a couple of details on that. We've been really covering and putting out some videos on this type of a knee bar here. But sometimes when you're going for a knee bar in general, he may tuck this foot underneath this leg. Okay, so I'm not able to get it out. So what I'm going to do there is then I'm going to chain into my clover leaf. Alright, that's a little Wakigatami, you could say, to a rolling knee bar, or just a grip break, getting out to that side position for rolling knee bar. You've got throws like Kneebar, the scissor throw takedown, or Kawasugake, the leg entanglement, where you fall backwards. Alright, subscribe to our channel. We're going to be putting tons of cool throws, standing submissions, transitions from standing to the ground, boxing for kickboxing, MMA, you name it. So subscribe, you'll get an update, like, comment, tell us what you'd like to see. Thanks.